Vinyl Windows Meridian Installation, Idaho, offers homeowners a range of benefits, including improved energy efficiency and enhanced aesthetics. Energy-efficient windows in Meridian ID are designed to reduce energy costs by providing superior insulation. Custom vinyl windows in Meridian allow for personalized designs that match any home style, ensuring both functionality and visual appeal. Window replacement services in Meridian, Idaho are essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your home's windows. Double-hung vinyl windows in Meridian are a popular choice due to their ease of use and classic design. Vinyl window repair in Meridian ID ensures that your windows remain in top condition, extending their lifespan and maintaining their performance. Affordable vinyl windows in Meridian provide cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality or style. Vinyl window contractors in Meridian, Idaho are skilled professionals who can guide you through the selection and installation process. Vinyl window maintenance in Meridian is crucial for preserving the appearance and functionality of your windows over time. Vinyl Windows Meridian Upgrades ID can significantly enhance the value and comfort of your home. Vinyl window styles in Meridian, Idaho offer a variety of options to suit any architectural design. Vinyl window designs in Meridian are crafted to meet the specific needs and preferences of homeowners. Vinyl window benefits in Meridian ID include increased energy savings, reduced noise pollution, and improved home security. Vinyl window solutions in Meridian, Idaho are tailored to address the unique challenges of the local climate. Vinyl window experts in Meridian provide valuable insights and recommendations for selecting the best windows for your home. Vinyl window options in Meridian ID are diverse, offering everything from traditional to contemporary designs. Vinyl window features in Meridian, Idaho include advanced locking mechanisms and weather-resistant materials. Vinyl window specialists in Meridian are dedicated to delivering high-quality products and services. Vinyl window enhancements in Meridian ID can transform the look and feel of your home, adding both beauty and functionality. Vinyl window durability in Meridian, Idaho ensures that your windows will withstand the test of time and the elements. Vinyl window performance in Meridian is optimized for maximum efficiency and comfort. Vinyl window insulation in Meridian ID plays a critical role in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment year-round. Vinyl window aesthetics in Meridian, Idaho are designed to complement any home decor, enhancing curb appeal. Vinyl window customization in Meridian allows homeowners to create unique window solutions that reflect their personal style. Vinyl Windows Meridian longevity is a testament to the quality and craftsmanship of these products, providing peace of mind for years to come. Vinyl Windows Meridian, Idaho are an excellent investment for any homeowner looking to improve their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Meridian ID vinyl window services offer comprehensive solutions for all your window needs, from installation to maintenance and repair.